Hello friends, this is Muskan Yadav and today I'm gonna talk about the problem that I encountered while shooting my videos. Might be you know very well I have already uploaded 20 videos on YouTube. Okay, so there I have used to face lots of problem while recording, while sharing or telling any kind of stuff. So what kind of problem I used to face and which thing I changed, I'm gonna talk about. Okay, might be some of you also want to start your YouTube channel. You also feel okay, let's make video. I have to start. I should create my channel. Okay, so here I'm gonna talk about my problem because might be somehow you also can face the same problem which I have faced already. So number one, noise issues. Actually you can see that is in this time also you can face, I can hear there is some noise issues I am facing. I used to face also noise a lot because noise like I face a lot of time. Okay, when you're ready for shooting a video, so somehow I, especially in the starting, I didn't care about a noise problem. At that time I was not conscious, okay, is it possible to noise and all, like I was started sharing or telling anything whatever exact want and I just post there. Okay, so I want to say that okay, I have bought right now I bought this mic, that is a Boya mic, and all the YouTubers they use this mic. That's quite good, but I don't think so that okay you are very absolutely fine. I don't know what's about other mic, might be you spend a lot of money expensive, then after you will get a much better than this, but still I have this, but still I face the noise issues. That's not matter. Okay, I'm just ready for sharing or telling and it's everything is fine. I didn't hear any kind of noise. Of course I face this problem too, like I switch off the fans. Okay, right now also I didn't open the switch off the fan. It's switch off right now, and sometimes it's a vehicle around, so they also just vehicle noise. You can see that this kind of disturbance I face, like all the YouTuber might be face in starting. If you just start something, so of course noise issues, especially vehicles, and sometimes it's happened that my brother and sister, they talk into each other, they are just sharing something, they want to discuss something, then I just record. I felt disturbance. I thought okay, what happened, stop this, stop everyone, like I close to everyone, then I just ready for sharing and making the video, shooting this video. So it's happening, like might be all the person they will face in a beginning especially. So yeah, this kind of problem I used to face and I am facing also, but this time which thing I changed, in a starting in an afternoon or evening time I was ready for shooting or telling anything. I just make my video. In the evening I didn't care at that time that okay, there's a noise problem also I can face, but after some time I realized that if you just start in a night time, okay, so in a night times it's quite well. I am just shooting these videos especially 11 or 12 o'clock in a night, okay, or in a morning 4 o'clock 5 o'clock. I think this is a suitable time for making the videos, and I used to just make an afternoon or evening. Then I faced a lot of noise issues, but this time it's quite better than ago. So yeah, that is fine. Okay, number two, expression issues. Actually at that time I didn't care about my expressions. I was actually I didn't care at that time that what kind of expression it is, like I have to conscious or not, because when in the starting I was making my video, I had already, because if normally also if you just talk to someone, like if anyone you will ready for talking or sharing your ideas, so people they don't care, no one can care their expressions. Okay, I'm looking good or I'm sharing something, so my expression is what kind of course a natural everyone has a natural way to just sharing their ideas. So lots of people they don't conscious about their expressions, so I had also not, but somehow I feel no, my expression is not good. Actually it's happening, like if you just I did this mistakes, like I don't know why I feel that okay, no, my expression is sometimes over or sometimes odd, I don't know why. So it's happening, like if you just absorb yourself in a previous you face this expression issues also. And you can see I'm just one of my videos which is how to introduce yourself. That video I've just when I was ready for making that video, So at that time I didn't care about my expression. I shoot and I just shoot it and I was see. At that time I was just only saw that okay, what I have spoken, is it fine or not. Everything is fine, I have shooted all the complete videos. Then at that time I was very shocked. Okay, what happened, this is my expression is not good. Okay, so then what happened, in middle I stopped and I just deleted that video. I said that okay, no, I will not shoot right now, I will make again tomorrow. So means this kind of problem you can face, which is I had faced already. So yeah, most of the time, actually 2 videos I used to face this kind of problem. Like I was ready for sharing or making my videos, then it's happened that I saw my videos, okay, no, this video is not good, I have to start again, I will try tomorrow. So it's happening, I have faced this, I used to face this kind of issues many times. So like expression is also kind of thing which is I don't know, it's my natural, but might be it's sometimes you feel that okay, no, it's odd, it's over. Okay, so this thing I used to face, and I used to feel that okay, yeah, this is I should have to make my natural expressions while sharing or telling something. So yeah, that is 2 points. Okay, so number 3, placement of camera at right spot. Actually you can see that this time I have just keep my mobile. I just have a mobile, like you can say there's so many copies books, I keep it in front of and down, and then after I just ready for keep my mobile. Okay, so it's happening, like I used to face this kind of problem. I had a mobile stand but somehow it's broke. Okay, so I used to just shooting that videos like that only. I keep my mobile and like copies and then ready for shooting and telling something. So what happened, then it was just ready for shooting, so somehow you feel that okay, is it proper or not. Okay, my camera is okay here and there. Okay, now upper, like this is issues I used to face lots of time. It fall down so many times, I'm just ready for sharing, then fall down. It's little bit irritate, what happened, it disturbance a lot in between. It's fall down, so it's quite disturbance. So like these kind of a small thing which is I used to face, might be you also can face the same problem. Okay, so number 4, background issues. Actually you can see that in the starting I didn't think much about a background. At that time I was sitting anywhere, you can see that I keep it my chair and I study for shooting and all, and I just upload there. I didn't think much about a background at that time also, and right now also I just checked okay, is it fine or not. Like this way I just checking my background and ready for shooting right now. So this is a common that you can face this kind of problem, background issues. In the starting you're very conscious, okay, where I have to shoot this video, okay, which place is suitable for sharing my ideas or telling the like record especially videos and all. So I used to face lots of time. Actually I didn't use any kind of background, so how could I face. But yeah, you can think in your mind, you definitely you think okay, let's make my video where I should make this kind of problem. Like you think definitely okay, which background is suitable for a sharing or telling or making videos. So this also kind of problem I used to face. But after some time I just realized that okay, for a beginners, which thing I observed, those extremely beginners and who start their YouTube channel pause, and I feel it's better also that for a beginners they not need to conscious about everything. I have a mics and cameras and DSLR, then I ready for shooting my videos. It's absolutely wrong. If you're beginners, if you have a normal mobile also, still you start your YouTube channel. Okay, so number 5, editing issues. Okay, you can face editing problem a lot. Actually I don't do edit much, to be honest. I don't do any kind of editing, not that much. But yeah, what kind of issues you can face, what kind of issues I have faced, okay, this thing I'm gonna share you. I don't know what about you, might be you create a different kind of channel, might be your comedian channel or something different. But what's my problem I used to face when I was especially editing. If you're ready for doing an editing, which kind of editing, like of course if you're ready for sharing your ideas or tell something in front of audience, so sometimes I have told you already that expressions problem. Okay, so what I do editing, just see that okay, no, this expression is odd or over, so I trim this. Okay, so this kind of problem you can also face, might be. And the second I used to face, like I've seen that, okay, there is my expressions, okay. And the second, if I'm just repeating the same word again and again, like it's happening. Of course, we just talk to someone, we share something in Hindi, also your own mother tongue, if you're ready for sharing or telling anything in front of your sister or brother. So sometimes you repeat again and again. So it's quite habit for me also. So repeating, actually, why I'm repeating, the problem is that I just trying to share that, okay, is he understand or not? Might be he not understanding my word, what I exactly want to say. So I just try to repeating again. Okay, listen, this is that. So it's quite you can say habit to just repeating, but it's still this thing I trim it. I feel no, might be people, might be those who watch my videos, so they feel okay, she repeating again and again. So it's quite irritating for others. So this is also the main issues. I do editing and trim it. This kind of problem I do. I do this kind of editing. And you can say that is one of the problem also, thumbnail. I know, might be you also know that thumbnail is a very important part for YouTube, especially if you just create your YouTube channel. So thumbnail is more important because everyone, they watch their thumbnail first, then they're ready for watching that videos. So firstly, our thumbnail is very important, that it is fine or not, it is really match your content or not, what you exactly want to share, that is match your thumbnail or not. Because it's also happened, I have seen the like some of the videos that thumbnail is different, but the people, they're ready for sharing their ideas, that is different. So that should be match, that is it fine or not. Lots of things it's like necessary in a thumbnail, which is I used to face the same problem. Like you're ready for making the thumbnail, and somehow I used to face like I did actually in the starting, I don't know how to make a thumbnail. It's quite a difficult task for me in at that time in a starting. Like it's quite, like you can say 10 videos I have uploaded, okay, 10 videos I have uploaded without thumbnail. I don't know at that time how to make a thumbnail and all. Then after I learned what is thumbnail. Actually, to be honest, I didn't watch any single video before I start my channel. I start my channel, then I see, okay, on YouTube thumbnail also important. What is thumbnail? What is this? What is that? Everything I understand after my uploading my channel. Otherwise, I didn't watch any single video. Even a famous celebrity, famous YouTuber, I didn't know anything about this. But after my I uploading my videos, then I realized, okay, on YouTube this is very nice, that is nice. Then I started watching more videos. Otherwise I didn't watch before I start my channel. Okay, so yeah, so thumbnail I realized and learned from YouTube how to make a thumbnail, and then I just learned, okay. Then after now I just when I upload my single video, so I make a 4 or 5 thumbnail. Then I select one, okay, this is good. Then I upload this. So means you also can face thumbnail issues, editing and all. Is it fine or not? Okay, that is not that much, I don't do much, but yeah, this kind of problem you also can face while shooting your videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching me today. And one more thing, it's my pleasure to read all the comments of my previous video. I had never expected I would be getting this much amount of my comments, and I'm really very glad to extend my great thanks to all of you. Okay, bye. Jai Shri Ram.